New Holland TC45 is warmed up and we're going to do the engine oil change. Perfect time, beautiful weather, and tractor is getting ready for the spring field work. I have a engine oil filter from the local New Holland dealer. Here's a part number and engine oil as well. And in this video I will take you step by step how to change the engine oil on your TC45 New Holland tractor. Beautiful machine, works great, and engine oil is the lifeblood of the engine. Oil is cheap, engines they're expensive. Don't neglect your oil changes. Okay, yeah, let's get started. My engine oil is fully warmed up to the operating temperature. Tractor was running prior to the oil change, and now we're ready. Okay, let's apply our parking brake. Take a key out and put it in your pocket. Oil filter is located on side of the engine block on the right or here. Before removing the drain plugs and dumping the engine oil, let's just clean this dry mud around the drain plugs, something like that, nice and clean. And now we're ready. For better drain, pull the dipstick out to get air inside the crankcase. Drain pan ready. Underneath 17 mil socket. Let's crack this one loose. Here we go. Nice and easy. And another one. Yeah, all specs, what oil I'm using, part numbers, intervals, I will put it down in the description below under the video. Check it out. Okay, use rubber gloves, don't get that oil on your skin, it doesn't do any good. Just push it in, and here we go. Now that we'll reuse those drain plugs. If you have new ones, go ahead and use it. Oh, this one's a bit still tight. And let's open the second one. Let it oil drain completely. Here we go. Yeah. All right, oil is draining. Diesel oil turns black fast. Yeah. Okay, let's drain the oil, wait until all drains, and get to the filter. As I said, I'm going to reuse the drain plugs. I usually use them twice. Let's wash them. Something like that. Perfect. As you can see, engine oil is drained completely. Let's put our drain plugs back. I usually always start them by hand like that, few threads. Here we go, and second one. Yeah. Then tight the drain plugs with a ratchet, and finally we'll torque them. Torquing the drain plug is one of the most important parts of the oil change. There we go. Beautiful. Always check your service repair manual for any specs. Good. Torque them properly and they will never fail. Okay, drain plugs are torqued. Let's clean the oil. Not too hard. Beautiful. Okay, time for the oil filter. On this tractor is easy to get to the engine oil filter, and I like to use the pipe pliers. That's more oil again and underneath. And spin it a few times till we can get the rest by hand. There we go. Good enough. A little bit of oil will come out. That's as usual. We'll catch it underneath, and because this filter is mounted horizontally, we cannot pre-fill the filter with the fresh oil. There we go. Let's just raise it up and take it out. See, Genie part. There's a part number. I like to use the manufacturer OEM parts much as possible. Let's take it out. Let's clean the filter housing with a brake clean. Like that. Beautiful. And then wipe it with a clean paper towel. Make sure no any dirt. Keep it clean. There we go, nice and clean. Here's our new replacement oil filter, engine oil filter. Let's take this guy out. Here's a part number, as you can see. Same thing on the box. Let's take this plastic film off. I'm going to put a fresh engine oil on a rubber gasket, like so. Yeah, we're not going to use any tools. And as you can see on the side of the filter, there's a diagrams how to install it properly. Put oil, spin it until it touches the base, and then do one full turn, and that will seal the filter and won't leak. Okay, let's put it back. Be careful not to touch anything with the rubber gasket of the filter, and as it touches, and we'll go one full turn. Here we go. That's it. Nice. Filter is in place, oil is drained, and drain plugs are torqued to specs. Now time to put a fresh oil. Alright, here's our oil filler cap with the extending tubing. Let's take the plug off and put it here. Get a clean funnel ready. There we go. And yeah, fill the oil. It depends from the model and year. New Holland use the different engines, and oil specs will be different, but I will put all specs for this tractor down in the description below. Check it out. Also, I have a video how to replace the water pump on this tractor, and yeah, check that video if you're interested. Alright, I'll put the right amount of engine oil. Let's put our filler cap back. Here we go. Alright, let's go and check the engine oil level. Let's pull the dipstick out, wipe it, and put it back. And remember, we still have empty oil filter, and oil level is up at the top mark, which is good. And yeah, oil will go down, filter will take some. Let's start the tractor, idle for a couple minutes, shut it off, and check the level again. engine oil light came out, pressure build up. All good. Let's idle a little bit, a couple minutes. Tractor is idling. Let's check for any possible oil leaks around the oil filter housing. Make sure there's no drippings. We'll clean that oil which we had spilled later. And around the drain plugs, as you can see, everything's dry and clean so far. Good enough. Shut it off. We'll let my tractor to sit for a few minutes, then we'll check the oil level again. Yeah, I'm going to transfer used engine oil into this original oil container and take it to the recycle station. Yeah, if it's helpful, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.